Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ritika and today we are going to solve the LeetCode daily problem maximum product of splitted binary tree. So let's quickly understand what the problem said. Given the root of a binary tree, split the binary tree into two subtrees by removing one edge such that the product of the sums of the subtrees is maximized. Return the maximum product of the sums of the two subtrees. Since the answer may be too large, return it modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Note that you need to maximize the answer before taking the mod and not after taking it. So basically we are given the root of a binary tree. We have to split the binary tree into two subtrees by removing only one edge and the product of the sums of these two subtrees is maximized. Now we have to return the maximum product of the sums of these two subtrees. As the answer may go too large, we have to calculate the answer or product using modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7 while making sure that we are using the mod only after calculating the maximum possible product or answer, not during the operation to find the maximum possible answer. For example, we have a binary tree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we remove the edge in between 1 and 2, then we have subtrees like 2, 4, 5 and 1, 3, 6. The left subtree have a sum of 11 and the right subtree have a sum of 10. If we multiply them, then the product will be 110. That is the maximum possible product of the sums of the subtrees. Now, another example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we remove the edge in between 2 and 4, then we have subtrees like 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. The left subtree have a sum of 6 and the right subtree have a sum of 15. If we multiply them, the product will be 90. That is the maximum possible product. Now coming to the constraint, we have the number of nodes in the tree is in the range of 2 and 5 into 10 to the power 4. The node value in between 1 and 10 to the power 4. Now coming to the solution approach, if we go through each possible subtrees and then calculate the sum of both two subtrees and then multiply them, that will take a larger time and our solution gets lower as per expectation. So what we will use is we use a two-pass DFS method where we will first calculate the total sum of the given complete binary tree and and calculate each of the node sums or the subtree sum while calculate the another subtree sum using a simple formula. That is, if we have a sum S, that is the sum of the complete binary tree, and the S1 is the sum of the one subtree, for example for the left subtree, then the sum of another subtree, for example the right subtree, will be S2, that is S minus S1. Using this simple formula, we will solve this problem. Let's go to the Python code now for better understanding. So as discussed in the problem, first we will use a node sum to store the sum of all possible subtree during iteration, and total sum will store the total sum of the given binary tree. Now we are using a function here find sum and passing the root here. If node equal to 9 and none, then we will return 0. Now simple DFS formula, we are calculating the left subtree sum and the right subtree sum. The current sum will be node value plus left plus right, and the node sum array will store the current sum each time, and after that we will return the current sum, and thus we will find the total sum. Now maximum product is initially 0 and mod is 10 to the 9 plus 7. Now we will go through each sum in the node sum array. Here first subtree sum is sum and the second subtree sum will be total sum minus the sum. Then current product will be sum into total sum minus sum, and maximum product will be maximum product till now and the correct product. Now we will return maximum product mod the mod value. Now run the code. Well, it's running. Now submit. Yeah, so our code is running good. If you like the video and approach, so please do like, share and subscribe the video and follow for more such content. Thank you.